New Mexico Real Estate Principles Workbook, page 23. B. The sale shall be held at the time and place designated in the notice of sale on a day other than a Saturday, Sunday, or legal holiday, and at the time provided by law for the foreclosure sale of real estate under real estate mortgages on the front steps of the courthouse of the county in which the trust real estate is located. If the trust real estate is located in more than one county, the sale may be held in any county in which part of the trust real estate is located. C. The notice of sale shall contain the street address, if any, or identifiable location, as well as the legal description of the trust real estate. Failure to accurately describe within the notice either the street address or the identifiable location of the trust real estate to be sold shall not be grounds for invalidating the sale if the correct legal description of the trust real estate to be sold was contained in the notice of sale. The notice of sale shall be sufficient if made in substantially the following form. Notice of trustee sale. The following legally described trust real estate will be sold pursuant to the power of sale as provided in the deed of trust recorded in book blank at page blank, blank, County, New Mexico records at public auction to the highest bidder on the front steps of the county courthouse in blank County, New Mexico, in or near blank, New Mexico, on blank 2000 and blank at blankety something o'clock blank M of that day. Street address, if any, or identifiable location of trust real estate and legal description of trust real estate. Dated this blank day of blank 2000 and blank blankety blank. Name of trustor, name of trustee. Signature. Here, add acknowledgement. Page 24. 48-10-12. Request for copies of notice of sale. Mailing by trustee or beneficiary. A person desiring a copy of a notice of sale as provided in a deed of trust shall at any time after the recording of the deed of trust and before the recording of a notice of sale as provided in a deed of trust record in the office of the county clerk in any county in which part of the trust real estate is situated an acknowledged request for a copy of the notice of sale. The request shall provide the name and address of the person requesting a copy of the notice and shall identify the deed of trust by providing the county book and page numbers of the recording data of the deed of trust and by stating the names of the original parties to the deed of trust, the date the deed of trust was recorded, and the legal description of the trust real estate, and shall be substantially the following form. Request for notice. Request is made that a copy of any notice of sale as provided in the deed of trust recorded in book blank at page blank blank County, New Mexico records on blank 19 and blank. The legal description of trust real estate executed by blank as trustor in which blank is named as beneficiary and blank as trustee be mailed to blank at blank dated this blank day of blank 19 and blank. Signature. Here, add acknowledgement. B. Not later than 30 days after recording the notice of sale. The trustee or beneficiary shall mail by certified or registered mail with postage, prepaid, a copy of the notice of sale with the recording date shown on the notice of sale, together with any notice required to be given by subsection C of this section, addressed as follows. 1. To each person whose name and address are provided in a request for notice, which has been recorded before the recording of the notice of sale, directed to the address designated in the request. And 2. To each person who at the time of recording of the notice of sale appears to be a document recorded in the real estate records of the county clerk in the county in which any part of the trust real estate is situated, to have an interest in any of the trust real estate, including junior encumbrances. The copy of the notice shall be addressed to the person whose interest so appears at the address provided in the document. If no address for the person is provided in the document, no notice need be mailed to the person. If the interest which appears on the records of the county clerk is a deed of trust, a copy of the notice need only be mailed to the beneficiary as provided in the deed of trust. If any person having such an interest, or the trustor, or any